Hello everyone. We are from Rwaave National Public School. Myself Ajay Bhatt from class 9.
Myself Pratana from class 9.
Myself Shreya from class 9.
So here we are with our project for the ATL Marathon, Rwaave, Radio Wave Aided Audio and Video Communication.
So we all know that today's generation is tomorrow's future. Hence, it is necessary for the young generation to be educated. But this is not happening effectively in the rural areas. Hence, we come up with an innovative idea, Rwaave, Radio Wave Aided Audio and Video Education. Innovate and educate. So this is a brief introduction to our idea. Our idea aims at providing affordable online distance learning facility to the students using radio frequency. No internet necessary. Audio and video is made possible using sophisticated electronic equipments. Also, the constant and seamless communication is established between the teachers and students. So according to an survey made by NSSO, only 11% of households have access to computers and 24% of households have access to internet, while only 8% of households have access to internet as well as computer. By this, we can conclude that very small percentage of households in India have access to internet.
So as we know, every problem has a solution. So now let's look at the solution to this problem. Our idea provides an affordable technique to access online classes using radio communications. As of now, we are able to access the online classes through Wi-Fi communications. But in our idea, we can access online classes, basically a communication between the students and teachers using radio frequencies. So internet service, that is Wi-Fi, is not required. So in our idea, in the solution, it consists of two basic components. One is the student device, and the other is the teacher device, where we have the module which initiates a radio communication between the students and the teachers. So let's have a look at the communication technique between the teachers and the students. Here we can see the teacher's electronic gadget connected to our device, which initiates the radio communication. It contacts with the radio station, and hence it initiates a communication between students' electronic gadget. Hence, we will have a bidirectional communication between teacher and student simultaneously. So this diagram represents the device, that is, we'll have transmitter and receiver on the both sides to receive and transmit audio and video data simultaneously. So this way we can initiate our audio-video communication via radio waves between teacher and student. No matter only teacher or student, it can be anyone. So yeah. Now let's look at the hardware details. The hardware details required are, now for our prototype, what we are using is a transmitter and a receiver to transmit and receive data simultaneously at the same time using our radio communication. Our actual device will be communicating with the radio station and indirectly to the student and the teacher.
These are the hardware components which are required to make our prototype. These are the basic components such as RF transmitter, RF receiver, antenna, RC cable, power cable, and etc. It costs rupees 1,400 to 1,500 rupees, and this is a table which involves the basic module as well as the video and audio equipment such as microphone, camera, and other output devices. It costs rupees 1,900 and or 2,000 rupees. The rate of the product decreases as the demand increases. So therefore it's affordable, and moreover it's a one-time investment, therefore it's clearly affordable. The production, this slide depicts how we can bring our prototype into market. That is by with the support of our electronic industry, this product can be brought to the market, as well as we have planned to distribute it to the institutions so they can use it as well as increase the demand for it. This also promotes Make in India, which is a plus point for our prototype, as well as previously told, as the demand increases, the rate of module decreases, therefore this module is affordable. Benefits and advantages. Online classes can be held without the internet services. This helps to reach many people who in the rural areas mainly. It helps to bridge the gap between the rural and urban. Therefore, it's very much useful. This device is also cost effective, and it is affordable since it is a one-time investment. Radio waves cause less damage to the observed by the human bodies, but internet rays or Wi-Fi rays are a bit disadvantageous to the nature. Other applications our module can not only be used in education system, it can also be used in the tourist sector, such as for virtual and live experience of visiting different areas, in communication sectors, and in live concerts for webinars and etc. We can also use in this pandemic to create awareness about the COVID-19.
Thank you.
So here we are with our prototype of the module we were speaking about, that is the Rwaave. Here you can see the transmitter. This one is the transmitter, and this is the receiver. Here we can see the output data respectively. This is the transmitter, the transmitting data that is being transmitted through this module. And here you can see the output data which is coming from the transmitter to the receiver. Here we have used the Node MCU ESP8266 as our transmitter and our receiver.